Hello, dear friends. You know that I already started to conduct mock tests for shorthand English lower grade and for higher grade, so that I wish to show one candidate's paper to you to get some idea about transcription, dear friends. Okay, I'll show our friend Rajesh's paper. This is lower grade only, which I conducted on 23rd June 2024. So you are in trap in some time or while you are doing transcription. At that time, just you are under the trap if you cannot understand the paragraph or the gist of the passage. So that let us see how our friend done his paper, who transcribed this paper in this way. Just I pointed out, just I corrected this paper. This is only for the purpose of uh, to show, for the purpose of getting some idea how you people make mistakes in the examination. That's why only just I am showing this paper to you. Let us see, we can see this paper. You see here, our friend Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, is there, no? This is sir, actually not needed, sir is not there, but our friend added this one. So this is also a mistake. And you see here, I want to point out actually, but our friend just wrote like put. So this is a mistake. And here you see, in place of agreed, our friend wrote cared, like cared. And here you see, actually due is correct, DUE, due is correct. But our friend just strike off and just written here as his something. Likely we are making mistakes in the transcription. You see here, actually in course it is, but our friend wrote like increase. And you see here omission of the here, and you see here here, mm, this is an honorable, actually our friend wrote like a honorable. And next shd just I given should actually here, but our friend wrote arer. And again here him, in place of him he wrote like me. And this is second page, omission of one omission here as a control. And this is over actually, but our friend wrote as for something like that. Here it is difficulty, actually difficult he wrote. In this circumstance, actually these it is, our friend just wrote given as this. So that is incorrect. And here there there, but our friend given here like their there. And here I mentioned that you have to write capital M, minister, honorable minister. H already just indicated capital letter. Here also just minister also just indicate with capital letter of M. And here you see it is it actually, but he did like do. Here it is orr, but he did like arer. And in later part, actually it is noted, but he did note asked, ask, explain, expend, like that. Here it is binding actually, but he did like joined. Actually, it is the, but he did like position. And in place of fighting, wrote like finding. In place of acquiring, he mentioned clearing. In place of he mentioned to. In place of well. In place of him, me. And here one, two, three, four, five. Five missions are there here. But whatever it is, totally he managed. He restricted his mistakes below 28. I mean 28. So that 28 mistakes equal to 45 marks he got. So he qualified in this. So let us see the difference of what it is. Uh, he wrote agreed, point out, and in course increase. Just let us see how we can write and how it is in the trap, how it is going to come in trap in lower examinations. So meanings are also very important to learn. Otherwise, it is very difficult for us to maintain. I mean, to maintain it is very difficult. Meanings are very important. You see here, dear friend, what agreed. How we can write agreed above the line? We can write like this agreed. Where we can write care, cared, this is on the line. We can write cared on the line. That is the difference. This is above the line, this is on the line. But our Rajesh just wrote like cared in place of agreed. So that is the difference here. Above the line, on the line. You have to remember, dear friends, that is important. And you see here in course. How we can write in course? This is in, this is course. If we want to add it in course, how we can write like this in course. How we can write increase? This is increase. We can write like this. So that increase, it is on the line. Actually, it is through the line, but due to horizontal strokes, we can write on the line only. Increase, it is on the line. But how we can write in course? This is in course. So that is the difference, Rajesh and friends. And this is an a. How we can write an A? Same. This is an and this is A. Nothing wrong. Both are same, but we have to find out accordingly. An honorable member will be there, but not a honorable member. That is the difference. And how we can write him and me? How we can write Gramlog him? This is on the line. And how we can write Gramlog me? This is above the line. That is the difference we have to find, dear friends. And how we can write should Gramlog? This is on the line like this. And how we can write the stroke R? This is R, A-R-E-R. Like this is also Gramlog, this is also Gramlog. This is A-R-E-R Gramlog. 1 by 6th length it is, this is half. So should R. And how we can write over? This is over, thickened this one. And how we can write as far? This as far. If we want to write, then we can write like this. Yeah. And difficulty. How we can write difficulty, difficult? We can write difficult. This is grammar log difficult. How we can write difficulty? D, F hook and K. We have to write like this. So that is the difference here we have to find. And there, same. Only meaning is different, but strokes are the same. Gram logs. This is there on the line. This is also there on the line. Both are same, but we have to find in good way. That is important. Which there is suitable, we have to find accordingly, dear friends. That is important. And we see few more what our friend Rajesh done. How we can write Gramlog it like this. How we can write Gramlog do same. What is the difference here? This is light stroke, this is thick stroke. And ARER. How we can write ORR like this. This is stroke. And how we can write ARER? This is Gramlog. We can write like this R. That is the difference we have to find, dear friends. And to find all these things, just we have to make our mind important while writing. If we cannot make our mind, mistakes will be there. And noted, how we can write noted and note? We can write note halving in halved note like this. How we can write noted like this? Noted, we can write like this. That is. And how we can ask, how we can write asked and ask? Ask we can write like this. Ask. And how we can write asked? K halved like this. K halved. So that is the difference we have to find while writing transcription. And expend, explain. How we can write expend first? Expend, expenditure like this. How we can write explain? This is explain on the line like this. Explain. We have to write like that. Explain. And how we can write position, and it is the position. P stroke, circulus and fallention, and dot oval position it is. How we can write it is the, this is straight line, it is the, that is the difference. And how we can write finding, fighting. In finding we can have in hook finding like this. And how we can write fighting? F halved and ing, that's it. This is fighting. And how we can write clearing, acquiring? We can write clearing like this. Clear, clearing, or we can add ing also, full form clearing. This is. But how we can write acquiring? Qua, acquire like this. We have to write acquire, acquiring. That is the difference. This is above the line clearing, this is through the line. And how we can write grammar of? This is 2 gram law like that. So variations are there for each and every stroke, dear friends. Variation should be there like this. So it is very important, dear friends. So it is very important to all of you to find where it is above the line, on the line, through the line. So that while learning only, learning shorthand only, we have to take care all these things. If we neglect learning shorthand learning, it is very difficult after reaching 80 words per minute, or after entering into lower grade, it is very difficult. So that you have to take care, dear friends. It is very, very important. And also one important thing that you have to check your transcription while going for uh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu examinations. It is very important to check. You don't neglect it. So you see how many mistakes as we are doing, how we are under the trap. These are all nothing but traps. So that it is important for all of us to make ourselves correct. Otherwise, it is very difficult, dear friends. So make it and clear it. That is important. And also this Sunday also I am going to conduct mock test. Every Sunday I will conduct mock tests, no doubt, for English lower grade and for English higher grade, junior grade and senior grade. If any are interested to join for model tests, you may approach, dear friends. Thank you. Then all the best.